Cipherlab 9700 with Cash Register Express. We're going to take a look at the adjustment function. This is different from the count function that will add or subtract the stock from your desired item or case. Using the adjust, you can overwrite the current value with a new value in case you need to make total adjustments. So we'll go into adjust. Scan the relevant item. We can adjust by item or by case. We'll just do by item right now. And whatever we enter here will be the new count. So it won't add 8 to the existing count, it will replace the existing count with 8. So we'll just enter this. And we'll save. We'll replace the Cipherlab and we'll sync back with Cash Register Express. Alright, and just like before, we can see the changes here in our Inventory Express menu. So we can see the adjustment here.